Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Mercedes GLC today, and this is 2020 model. And we have installed its ambient lights in the car. Here you can see it works with the animation as well. Like front door is opening, it will blink. So we will turn this off so it will stop blinking. Then you can see we have activated or programmed its original ambient light menu in the original screen. This is the original 10-inch display, and we have activated its ambient lighting with coding. I will go in the comfort. Then here is the, I can adjust the brightness as well. Here you can see so we can turn the lights as well. So if you want to turn the back lights, so here you can see, so it is front and back both are adjustable. Plus if you go to colors, so we have like a dual zone ambient light kit. In this kit you can see like colors are dual in the whole car. I will show you the back side of the car as well. Same like when you open the door, it will blink in red color. So here you can see, so it's blinking with the door open. We have installed under the footwell on the door cards here. Back seats, you can see how it looks from the inside of the car. It's a very unique experience and improves your driving experience in the car at the night time. So here is the menu of the ambient light, so we can change the color as well. I will try ocean blue. Ocean blue is kind of blue with almost same colors. There is little difference. Then we have purple sky with two different colors. One is blue and the other is purple. Here you can see how it looks, purple blue. Then we have red moon. Red moon is basically the red sides of this light kit and blue AC vents, but you can change this color as well if you will do it like shifting, color shifting. Here is we have like effects of like color animation, so it will change color like this. I have turned this on, so you will see it will change its colors with the time. Like right now it's the red color is here, and with time it will shift the red to blue and blue to red in the whole car. Here you can see, we will wait a little bit. Here you can see it's changing the color. So here now we have blue here and the red on the other sides. That is the color animation here. Then we have fire red. In fire red we have like this shade, little bit pink here and dark pink on the other side. We have dawn blue. Dawn blue we have like some sort of pink and blue. Then we have sun yellow color. In the sun yellow color we have like these two different colors. We have this jungle green. In the jungle green we have like two different color shades. One is this light blue and the other is a little bit dark. Then we have glacier blue. Glacier blue is also very beautiful. Here you can see like aqua color with this light blue color. Looks very amazing. We have like color flash. Color flash we have like these two colors. You can see how it looks. We have this color mix. In the color mix we have different colors. So that's the video for today. Here you can see I am turning off the dual zone, and we can adjust like colors from here. Like it has 64 different shades. You can move, like right now I am on the yellowish side. We can go to white. We can use this white color. We can use this purple. We can use this red. It's again dark purple, blue, aqua color, green. We have different shades of green. You can use single color in the whole car as well, plus double colors. So that's the video for today. If you have any car like C-Class, W205, CLA, or any Mercedes or any BMW cars, so you can contact us. We have ambient light kit solutions for almost all the cars available in the market. If your car is a little bit old, you can install a universal ambient light kit in the car. So here you can see we have done this job and how it looks like. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask down in the description below. I will, in the comments below, I will provide all the necessary links in the description. So that's the video for today. See you next time with another video. See you. Bye bye.